Welcome. Here's how we do some section views. I'm going to come up here, open my file, click on Inspect, go down to Section Analysis. Click on Section Analysis under Inspect. Click on any one of these surfaces, it doesn't matter. And then you just push in on the arrow about halfway. All right, you can go farther if you want, just so it looks good. And then hit OK. There's your section view. Take a picture of that. Step 2. Let's make a drawing from this. Click Design, Drawing from Design. Click over here where it says From Scratch. Change it to 11 by 17. Hit OK. Wait for it to load. Put our first view right here. Click OK. Click on Project, this icon right here, top left, Project. Click on your image again. Now you can project a view up here, next to it, and a 3D one with the check mark. I don't like these being hidden lines, so I'll double click it, and I'll choose just the visible one right here. I'll do that for all of them. Alright, now we'll do our section view. Alright, you can move these around if you need to. I'll come up here, section view time. Click right here. This is your section. Or you can click on the word create. You can choose section view. Pick the drawing you want to do it on. It comes up with an A. So I'll click above it, keep my line straight, not angled, keep it straight, and click below it. And I'll hit the check mark. I want you to keep going, I'm going to hit the check mark. And then there's my section view. I'll put it right there. And hit OK. Now I might have to move your text around, so I'll put my text above it. Alright, so there's my section view. Take a screenshot of this section. I don't need the whole thing, just this section is fine. So I can do Windows Shift S and I can take a screenshot of just that area. Okay? Good luck.